Hello, a very good afternoon. Myself Nikita Pratap, your faculty for your history subject. I would be with you around your ancient history as well as medieval history. So here, as we need to go eventually, we would be starting with our ancient history with our today's topic of prehistoric times. Now, what is meant by prehistoric? The word prehistoric means a time frame where we don't have any of the literary evidences. Now, see, students, whenever we need to have to learn about the history, let's take an example. You want to learn something about your past generations or past century. What you will do? You will go to any administrative record, or either you will look through some of the reference books, or either you will get some story books, or at least you will get some of the oral evidences which are being told by your family members or your teachers or your friend circles, right? But what about that phase which doesn't have any of the literary records? No administrative record, no social records, nothing. So this kind of period is known as prehistoric period. And this prehistoric period has some of the evidence in non-literary sources. That is, this time frame has its sources in the caves, in the stone tools, in the burial sites, which tells us about how did the Stone Age man live during this period, how he was interconnected with its communities, with its natural resources during this period. Okay, so let us start with our today's session of prehistoric times. Now, this prehistoric time is majorly looked from the view of one of the archaeologists as well as the geologist named Robert Bruce Foote. Okay, so this Robert Bruce Foote was a person, or he was also called as a father of prehistoric times. Okay, or the prehistoric age. Now, he was called as a father of prehistory because during the year of 1863, he found out the first excavated site where he found the stone tools of Neolithic age. And these stone tools were found at the South Indian or the Madras area. Now, this is the area which during the previous time constituted of present Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. So overall, this area had many of the sites of Neolithic age. Now, what is Neolithic age? So this is also a part of your prehistoric period. So the father of prehistoric times, okay, divided all of these phases into majorly 5 phases. Okay, so which are those phases? Let us see. So he divided the phases into 5 phases. The first phase is known as Paleolithic. Second is Mesolithic. Third is the Neolithic. Fourth is Chalcolithic. And the fifth is Iron Age. Now, have you observed why these ages are termed as lithic? What is meant by lithic? Lithic is the stone age, or the lithic, the word lithic means the stone. Now, when we need to access the evidences from this, as we don't have any kind of literary sources, like what I initially told you, okay, now here we are deriving some of the evidences based on the caves, the stone tools, which the Stone Age man used to hunt animals, right? So this was a Paleolithic, which was a grand age, which started from 5 lakh BCE to 10,000 BCE. Now this Paleolithic age also consisted major phases: lower Paleolithic, middle Paleolithic and modern Paleolithic, okay, or the upper Paleolithic, okay. Next is the Mesolithic period, which started from 10,000 BCE, approximately 10,000 BCE to 6,000 BCE. Now, this time frame is not the exact time frame. This time frame is a time frame which is being derived scientifically through the barks of the trees, or the wood that was used during this period, or either through the age of the stone which was found at the excavated sites. Okay, now after this there is a Neolithic period. Now this is a period when the Stone Age man was moving out from the forest and started to living a settled agricultural life. Okay, after that it comes the Chalcolithic period. Now the Chalcolithic period is majorly the Bronze period or the Copper period. Okay, and the last is the Iron period or the Iron Age. By the name itself you can understand what is the Iron Age. Okay, so here there is no lithic. Okay, in Iron Age there is no evidence of lithic, or the very minimal evidence of lithic, and that is why we'll say that the lithic period is just for the first 4 phases. The development of the stone tools would be only encapsulated in this 4 period. And when we are having the Iron Age, we would be developed settlement, we would be having a developed civilization, we would be having developed kind of settlements. Okay,